For today's nail art, we are going to be doing a cartoon design. My nails are already polished and I have white on my middle and ring finger. I have black on my pinky and thumb and yellow on my pointer finger. And I'm applying a layer of liquid latex around both of my white nails. Using black polish, I'm going to stamp some flowers on my nails using UberChic stamping plate 1302, and this is going on my middle finger. Using a cartoon plate OS-01 from AliExpress, I'm going to stamp Tweety Bird onto my ring finger. Remove the liquid latex and we're ready to start adding some color. I'm going to put some of my yellow polish on the back of an old gift card and with a dotting tool add some yellow dots to the center of each flower. To color in Tweety Bird, I'm going to be using alcohol ink. I'm using Spectrum markers, but you can also use regular Sharpies. And if your black stamping polish smudges easily, you will want to use a top coat before you color in your design. If you don't have alcohol ink or markers, you could always color in your design with reverse stamping, and I will leave a link in the description below on how to do that. Once my design is all colored in, I'm going to take a detail brush dipped in rubbing alcohol, and I am just going to go over that to smooth out any marker lines and make my color more even. I'm going to finish my design with Seche Vite fast drying top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.